How to send money to someone on Cash App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to send money to someone on Cash App. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Cash App application on your device. You can download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once opened, go ahead and enter the amount you want to send and then tap on the Pay button. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's email address, phone number, or $cash tag. Once you have entered, you will be required to enter a note for the payment. So, enter the note and finally tap on the Pay button again, and with this, your money will be sent. You can also send money to someone by scanning their Cash App QR code. Cash App codes can be a faster way to send money because you do not need to type in the recipient's details each time. You can also send money from your Cash App balance, linked bank account, or debit card. Also, remember that you should only send money to people you know and trust, as open contact on Cash App can allow for scams. So, this is how you can send money to someone on Cash App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.